What's up, guys? It's a Monday morning and I just had to quickly jump up and do this analysis for you guys against this week and also a little bit of next week. Alrighty, guys, so as usual, NASDAQ and Volatility 75 index analysis straight up from TradingView. As usual, I'm gonna go back from previous analysis to show you guys what our result was. And as you can see, of course, if I click on the play button, you're going to see what we had from the previous NASDAQ analysis. As you can see, the stop out from the neckline of the head and shoulder. I was expecting more sell as long as we don't get stopped out, and that's what we got from the previous weeks. So stay tuned, as I'm going to tell you what we should expect from this week and a little bit of next week also for the V75 market. Alright, guys, so we're going to go ahead and do full price action. You know, we don't really trade with the news. We feel the news is mostly gonna tally with price action. Not really checking Tesla stocks or the Netflix going down from the previous weeks. I'm just doing my full price action, and if it gets me out of my trade, it's cool. I'm out. I'm going to look for the next opportunity. I don't have time trading news here and there. I feel my price action is enough for me. So as usual, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bump it up to the higher time frames one day to check if I can actually see any sort of overall bullish trend line, maybe other highlights. I can see price action highlights on the higher time frame, which is what I always do. And if I can't see, I'm just going to go down again to the 4 hours time frame to extend the support line. As you can see, there's a major support parameter over there, a very strong one. That is why I think price is going to get a rejection at that price. Maybe a breather for NASDAQ just to reject that support parameter a little bit before we can extend the sell market, or probably not, and just continue the bullish run back up to maybe 13,900, almost 400, or let me just say 14,000 parameters and above. Anyway, guys, even though this is not a signal, this is still a chart analysis, so I still have to give you guys my overall choice and direction in the market. So what I would say is, guys, of course the market can extend to that level and break support and continue selling downwards, but as for me, you know me, out for a buy. I'm out of sell positions. I'm in for a buy. I'm going to try and place a buy at the support parameter and see what the market does. If it breaks, fine. It's stop loss, little percentage of loss, it's all good. I'm going to sit tight and see if the market retraces back into the zone. If it doesn't, I'm going to try and plot a new analysis for the sell. All right, guys, let's jump straight into V75 without any further ado. Okay, guys, so now for our V75. First off, as you can see from last week, what we got there is actually a sell. Still got a sell, but even though I missed the entry point because it went straight up first to all-time high, a new historical price number for V75, so I was actually out of my trades just not to, you know, risk anything. So I missed that. But of course, you see the market selling, even though it got there just to kick out a lot of sellers in the market and then back down to the sell region. But anyways, that's just my overall analysis. You can get sort of an idea of what the NASDAQ market has done from last week to this week. So this week, what do I expect? I expect more push downwards, just like NASDAQ on previous week analysis. If you watch the video, you're going to see how I did my analysis there. You can see I know it's at the bottom level of the bullish trend line, but I'm saying it's going to break it because you can see that it's almost about to break. But I'm in for a sell. I think it's going to break it down to support level. I'm not in for a buy at this moment, so I'm just letting you guys know what the NASDAQ market is trying to do from here, as you can see. Take a note, I say wait for a purple breakout before applying sell continuation. It could respect the trend line and bump up for a buy, so you have to wait for a breakout before you're applying a sell downwards to that point. So yeah, if you missed out previous videos, you can check it out in the description. That's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you love my videos, hope you love this analysis. Please give up a like, comment what you also think about this analysis. That's pretty much simple price action. We're not doing too much complicated chart things on our chart. At the same time, we don't also use indicators. We're just using simple price action. So thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Really glad you guys watching these videos. Makes me bump up my trading experience even more and even better. So thank you guys so much. Let's go make money from these two analysis, hopefully, because I see potential profit returns with this set of analysis. So guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Stay safe.